Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome to my house. I got my buddy Meg here from This Mess Is Ours.
Me. I'm here to drink. I'm here for cocktails.
Because we're making margaritas. Mm-hmm. Lemon basil margaritas.
Those are worth flying from Georgia for.
Right? Okay, so check it out. You ready to get started?
Yeah, tell me what to do. Put me away.
Okay, so I have salt here. These are also good with like a lemon sugar rim. Mm-hmm. But I like it with a little bit of salt, or you could go no rim.
I'm in for salt.
All right, so I'm gonna have you rim. So what I do, right? I cut a little line in the lemon, right? So I'm gonna have you circle those, right? And then dip them in the salt.
I cannot mess that up.
Okay. And then while she's doing that, I made a little lemon simple syrup. Now you can buy this, or I will link to the recipe. Simple syrup is half sugar, half water. When you make lemon simple syrup, you slice up some lemons, throw some lemon rind in there, you cook it down together, okay? So, perfect. And then I need that. Okay. So, I'm gonna throw a little lemon simple syrup in here, okay? I'm also gonna spill some on my counter. And then I'm gonna tear up some basil leaves. Not cut, tear up, okay? So like I say, you can buy this, but when it's just sugar and water, I don't know where we're buying it.
No, that's a super easy process.
Yeah. So I'm gonna give it like 4 or 5 leaves per, okay? And you and I have had this conversation. With basil, we want to tear it or we want to
smack it. Because we're releasing the oils, and these of course we've washed, right, so they're nice and clean. Then I'm gonna add about 2 ounces of tequila. You use what you like. Eat it or wear it. This is what I like. Okay, I like silver tequila. You add about 2 ounces. I like how you're eyeballing this.
Well, I bartended for a minute. Probably the job I was best suited for. Right? BSing with people. And then I'm going to give it a little Grand Marnier. If you're a triple sec person, I'm not going to judge you. I'm a Grand Marnier.
I like Grand Marnier.
Okay.
My husband's really into it. So
all right. Then. So we're going to give that about a ½ ounce, maybe Grand Marnier. Maybe a little bit more. All right. Okay. And then we're going to stir those together because we want the basil not to get beat up, okay?
So you're not bruising it?
It's not pesto.
Okay.
All right. But we want the basil to release its oils. Okay?
So the spoon is smacking the basil instead of your hand.
The spoon is smacking the basil.
Got it.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna have you, then I'm gonna drop a lemon wheel into each one. I knock some of our salt off. Look at that. I'm gonna drop a lemon wheel in each one. I'm gonna have you add some ice.
Okay.
Okay. Salt over my shoulder so we don't have bad luck.
There's that one.
All right. Get that wheel sideways in there.
There's that.
Now, you can stop here. Perfectly good margarita, right?
Okay.
I like a little fizz.
I do too. I like a bubbly.
I'm a fizz kind of girl. Okay, so stop here. If you're not a fizz person, keep going.
Keep going.
If you're a fizz person,
I'm always in for more.
All right.
I like layers of things.
Right?
I like the experience.
Because I am not a less is more person. I am a more is more person.
More layers.
So I'm gonna give it a little bit of club soda.
I'm excited.
Which also makes you feel better about yourself. Maybe you're not drinking straight tequila.
Does that mean it's a health food? It's now a health food.
Well,
health category.
Maybe
it's got fresh herbs.
It's more hydrating.
Lemon juice.
Okay then.
Soda.
All right. And then maybe we take our little. All right. And we hang that guy on there. Take another. Maybe take a little more basil, right? And we probably got enough basil oil going on in there, but you could spank this.
I think you should, just to demonstrate. It's aggressive.
All right then.
It's a little aggressive.
And now we've
Perfect.
released the oils, and so now that basil's letting off the
You
aroma.
can smell it here. Like, I can smell it here.
You can with
All
your
the way up
nose.
here with my
which
nose.
is where you do your smelling.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's for you.
That's for me. Yay.
Salud.
Salud to you.
Let me know how you feel about
Thank
that.
you. I feel like we need to call it an end of workday and drink the rest of these.
All right.
Okay. I like
Lemon basil margarita. Make one for yourself. Make one for your friends.
Do
Make
that.
them happy,
I'm very happy.
right?
I'm staying over, by the way.
And then make another one for yourself. Salud, G-Free Foodie. We'll put a link somewhere,
Yeah,
and there will be a recipe.
they'll be there.
All right.
Cheers.
Bye. Cheers.
These are good.
All right then.
I like them.